So this question is a calculation and it wants us to work out the empirical formula. To do this, we base our empirical formula calculation on this triangle, which is Mr. Moles lives underneath the mass. And what I'm going to do first of all is the two elements are element A and element G, and I first write down the mass that I've got of each. So it tells me that in experiment 3.5 grams of A reacts with 4 grams of G. Then what I do, I come back to my triangle that we mentioned, and I'm actually trying to find the moles. So I want to find the moles. I've got the mass, I need to divide it by the MR, which in this case, as the elements, is the relative atomic mass for these, and I'm told that information here in the table. So A is going to be 7 and G is going to be 16. So let's put those numbers in, and I'm going to write down here that that's 7 and 16, and I'm dividing those numbers, and that's going to give me the number of moles. So when I do that, here I'm going to get 0.5, and here I'm going to get 0.25. Then what I have to do is I'm going to divide by the smallest number. So of these two answers, which is the smallest? Well, hopefully we can see that that one's the smallest number. So I do 0.5 divided by 0.25, and then 0.25 divided by 0.25. That's going to be 1. That's going to be 2. So my empirical formula is A2 and then G1. So let me just write that down for you. A2, G, I don't need to put the 1 in. There's my answer.